Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily request a control in Cisco Webex meetings. So let's start. First, what you want to do is I need to change role to host, right? So right now I gave someone my host, and what do you want to just... He can change it back, but yeah, here. This is you. Go to participant and reclaim host role. Voila. This is how you do it. And this is how you make it. So that's probably it. And yeah. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.